Just got off work. What's up? You got the wrong number. What's that? Have you been drinking? What are you up to? You got 3 seconds before I hang up. Go with the flow. Hold on. You just said to go with the flow, and you're acting particularly stupid, even for you. I'm guessing you're trying to make me say something. Are you playing a game? Why am I taking part in your shenanigans? What happens if I lose? I'm being ridiculous. Let's begin. It's a cat. Immature, stupid, dumb. Are you fishing for a compliment from me? Why me, Lord? Okay, I'm only gonna say this once. You are very cute. I'm not mad, I just don't get the point of this. Rapport. Why would you call me then? Guess I was destined to play this dumb game. I lost, so what now? I don't like your reaction. Come again? Okay, who's getting punished for losing here? Be at LFG by 10 o'clock sharp tomorrow. Your punishment doesn't count without my approval. Just reminding you, you have a financial report due tomorrow. Why do you sound so lethargic? Working overtime? Well, if you took better care of yourself day to day, you'd be able to handle a little running around. Maybe I can help you out. Wasn't it obvious? Tell me the subject. So we're looking at little animals? Got it. I'll get someone on it and email you. I've heard thank you about 800 times from you now. Try something new next time. That's for you to figure out. Never. Moron. What made you think I'm like a cat? Turn up my nose. You really do think I'm a cat, don't you? Maybe it'd be nice to be a cat. No work, no worries about a certain moron and her dumb games. Aren't you used to it by now? You? Maybe a squirrel. Cute, clever, independent, and always working hard towards your goals. That's one of the things I like about you. Don't take it to heart. It was mostly to boost your self-esteem. Did you get the research file Goldman sent you? I was being facetious about that, moron. Just a thank you will do. Go finish your research. Call me with any questions you have. I'll be here.